Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Outlook not opening in your laptop or PC. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly tap Window plus R key to open the Run tab. Once you do, you simply need to write this code. Simply copy and paste and then simply click on OK. Once you do, using these simple keywords, you will be able to open your Outlook application. And if you are using the Outlook Microsoft for the first time, you need to set it up first. Allow the settings permission and allow your email account access. And that's it. That is how easily you can open Outlook Microsoft on your laptop or PC. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.